Welcome to our channel. Today we how to remove devices from Netflix account, security guide step by step clearly. Open the Netflix app or go to netflix.com on a device you trust. Make sure you are connected to a secure network, not public Wi-Fi. Sign in with the correct Netflix email and password. Click your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select account from the drop-down menu. Scroll down until you find the Security and Privacy section. Click Manage Access and Devices to see where your account is signed in. Wait for the list to load and review every device and location carefully. Look for unknown devices, unfamiliar locations, or old devices you no longer use. If something looks suspicious, take a screenshot or note the device details. Select the device session you want to remove. Click Sign Out next to that device to remove its access immediately. Repeat the sign out action for any other devices you do not recognize. If you want a full reset, choose Sign Out of all devices instead. Confirm the action when Netflix asks you to verify. Remember that signing out of all devices may take up to a few hours to apply everywhere. Go back to the account page after signing out to continue securing the account. Open the Change Password option in the Membership and Billing area. Create a strong new password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using old passwords or anything that can be guessed easily. Save the new password and sign in again on your own devices only. Return to Security and Privacy and open Manage Access and Devices again. Confirm that only your trusted devices are now listed. Next, open Profile and Parental Controls for your main profile. Check viewing restrictions and maturity settings if you share the account with family. Review your email and phone and account settings to ensure recovery info is correct. Turn on extra security habits like not sharing your password and logging out on shared TVs. If you still see unwanted logins, contact Netflix support through the Help Center immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.